Sex and lovemaking are the highest expressions of love imaginable to mankind. And to conceive a baby is something a couple decides upon after much deliberation and thought. Yet sometimes there are instances when sex leads to the conception of a child, even when there is no desire for it. This may be due to faulty contraception or carelessness on the part of the couple. And many a time it may be long before a woman may realize that she is pregnant, and this may be a dangerous situation to deal with. So it is of primary importance to understand and realize the signs of pregnancy when a woman experiences them. Early signs of pregnancy. The biggest and the most sure-shot indicator of pregnancy are the increased levels of nausea in a woman. Generally, a woman tends to attribute such feeling to overexertion in work or food poisoning or some other such thing. However, if the nausea in a woman is prolonged and lasts long, then doubts start creeping in the minds of the females, especially if the child is not a planned one. The problem here is that the woman often finds it difficult to spot nauseated feelings easily, for the nausea levels in a female grows very gradually with the pregnancy. Lots of females feel that they experience severe pain too because of the nausea. However, it is medically asserted that such feelings are mere psychological imprints and do not have a basis in fact. Early signs of pregnancy, however, a sure-shot sign that is hardly ever missed by any female, is the missing of periods. If a woman is not too vigilant about the occurrence of her periods, or she does not usually have consistent periods, even then the non-occurrence of too many periods in a row will definitely raise her doubts and lead her towards the realization of a pregnancy. Another highly consistent and regular pregnancy sign in a woman is the tiredness and fatigue she experiences even without doing any major strenuous activity. It must be understood that externally she may not be working, but internally the body is working very hard to make the necessary arrangement and preparation for the growth and development of an entirely new life within the body. Hormone secretion takes place which prepares the uterus for the attachment and development of the embryo. Food requirements also increase rather dramatically, and mood swings are very severe. The woman suddenly becomes very touchy and irritable, and becomes very uncomfortable to tackle and deal with. This may be attributed to special hormones that are secreted. These pregnancy hormones also result in the breasts going tender and soft. For some females, they become swollen too. The body is actually adapting to allow the child to develop in a congenial environment. Early signs of pregnancy. There are many other indications that may be associated with a pregnant woman, and woman may not experience all of the signs at once too. But even if some of those signs make her realize her pregnancy, then it is enough to make her decide what course of action she wants to undertake, whether to raise the baby or otherwise, and hence save any kind of complications there.